Hey traders, welcome to a new scalping strategy on a 5-minute chart. We are currently on the BTC USDT. We're gonna use 3 indicators and we're gonna find out how much profit we can take with 100 trades if we go back in time. First, let me introduce the indicators. So I removed all of them. We go to the indicators tab. We're gonna add the ADX, the average directional index. I'll explain later where we are using it for. We're gonna use a EMA. It's in the end gonna be the EMA 200, purely for the trend. And we're gonna look for extreme trends by Mr. GOT Preset, I guess. I'm not sure. Let's add that one. So what we want to do first is set everything correct. That's going to be the EMA. It has to be 200, of course. I'll make it red, thicker. The ADX, we're going to draw a horizontal line with Alt H on the around the 20 level. I've drawn some boxes here for you, so I hope it's clear. When it is above the 20 line, you have a green zone. That is where you can trade. Is it underneath it? Do not trade there. That's a no trade zone, because you're in a ranging market. The price goes sideways. We don't want that. We want it to be at least above 20. Normally you would go 25, but personally I just prefer the 20, because otherwise I have the feeling I'm missing out a lot, and I'm a big FOMO guy. Not kidding, but I just prefer 20. So yeah, that's gonna be the ADX. Now let's go to the EMA. It's a red line. You only take short positions like you would have already expected when it's underneath it, and you take long positions when the price is above it. So right now we are only looking for long positions right here. So where would we take a long position? It's when we have a blue triangle from the X trend. The X trend, you don't have to, you even cannot change anything. It's just the way it is. So you take a long position when the price goes above the ADX. If it's in between 3 candles of it, you can still take it. So right here it gives you a signal and it's above the EMA, so you're looking for a long position. What did the price, the ADX do? It went above it. So where can we take a long position? We can take it right after. It's gonna be on the beginning of that one. So we set a long position when this one has closed. So this should be a long position. Last swing light times 1.5. Swing low, I mean. Could also do it here. You could also do always 0.4 and 0.6, what I'm doing these days. I prefer that one. T1, so I'm sure exactly, I know what I'm earning from my back testing. It's for me it's way easier. So that is how you should trade it. Right here you have another entry as well. If you missed out of this one, you can take a long position. Sorry, my cat is pretty noisy today. You might hear him, I mean. So you can set a 0.4 as well here towards a 0.6, and you always have the 0.5 risk reward ratio. So yeah, these are long positions. Let me show a short position right now for you. Right here you are underneath the 200 EMA. It gives you a signal after this big ass candle. And the ADX is moving up, which is also pretty interesting. When it's going down, you know that the price is going back to ranging. So I prefer it that it goes up like this. But okay, I see a short position. It's underneath 200 EMA. It closes here, so I can take a short position right there. Take a 0.6%. Do a 0.4% stop loss. So it would even hit the same candle. Right here, it would have stopped out, but this is also a position where I would not take a short position, because you can see that the ADX is going down and it's almost underneath the 20 line. So you know that the ADX is bearish, but you want it actually to be bullish in these positions, especially when it has been up like this for a long time. You know it's going back soon. So I would recommend do not take these trades. This is just gonna be a 50%. It's just casino work like that. You can ignore all of these signals, and as you can see, it's underneath the 20 line. And what is the price doing? It's literally going sideways. So that is why I'm using the ADX to filter out of these bad trades. So what I want to do now is I'm going to backtest this 100 times. I'm probably going to show you around 30 or 40 on fast forward, otherwise the video is going to be way too long. If you also want to trade like us on BYBIT, don't forget to use our referral code. And if you're not subscribed yet, only like 5% of the viewers is subscribed. So please don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more of our content. Okay, I expected it not to be bad, but I didn't expect it to be the top one. But here you go, it's the top one with a gain on account on 15% after fees. A lot of YouTubers don't keep that in mind, but I distracted the fees out of it. So yeah, 5-minute chart, 1.5, 100 trades. It took me 30 days to increase your account on 15% with 1 leverage. So if you use like 10 leverage, if we go here, and you see number of trades 100, with the BYBIT new fees, it's 0.01 on the limit order. And we would do a leverage of, wait, hold up, just a win percentage of 63. And a leverage of 10 to give you an increase of 259% on your account. That's really good. So this is probably, I'm gonna look into it further. I didn't expect it to be better as the Fumanchu. Of course, it's always different. If I test it for next month, the win percentage can be around 60 or 55, but 63 is a really good number. So I'm gonna use this one in my portfolio. I hope you like this video. If you want to trade like us on BYBIT, please don't forget to use the link down in the description. You can get a nice bonus and you help us a lot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, leave a comment, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.